In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice on Jobber Desktop. We'll walk through the full flow so you know exactly what each field means and how to set it up for clean, professional billing. Start by opening Jobber on your desktop and heading to the Invoices area from the menu on the left. This is your home base for managing all billing. From here, choose New Invoice to start a fresh one. Begin with the subject line. Keep it short and descriptive, like the job name or service period. A clear subject makes it easy to find later and helps your client recognize what the invoice is for at a glance. Next, select the client. Picking the correct client pulls in their billing details automatically, which helps avoid typos and ensures everything lines up with their account and service history. You'll see an invoice number field. Jobber typically assigns this for you, but you can adjust it if you use a custom numbering format. Consistency here is important for accounting and reporting. Set the issue date to the day you consider the invoice created. The date sent field reflects when the invoice goes out. Set it now if you have a known send date, or leave it to update later. These dates drive aging and due calculations. Choose your payment terms, such as due on receipt or a net schedule. This determines the due date and sets expectations clearly for your client. Add your products or services next. Enter each line item with a clear description, quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Precise details reduce questions and speed up payment. Use the Client View section to confirm what your customer will see, keeping the layout and totals clear and professional. Include your contract or disclaimer text to cover important terms like scope, warranties, or cancellation policies. This protects both parties and keeps everything transparent. If you have any notes, such as special instructions or context, add them now so everything relevant is in one place. When everything looks good, click Save Invoice. That's it. Your invoice is created, organized, and ready for next steps whenever you are.